You ready to unlock the legendary social skill tree from one of the most powerful guides ever written? Because in the next few minutes, we are seriously leveling up your charisma, your persuasion, and your alliance building skills. And hey, stick around to the end because I've got a secret loot drop that's going to make you practically invincible in any conversation. Okay, let's get into it. Our source code is Dale Carnegie's masterpiece, How to Win Friends and Influence People. And get this, research from the Carnegie Institute of Technology found that a wild 85% of your financial success comes down to human engineering, basically your personality and how you deal with people. Only 15% is pure technical skill. So think of this explainer as your patch to upgrade that crucial 85%.
First up, we're equipping you with the anti-crit build. This is all about deflecting social damage before it even has a chance to hit your health bar.
So the core principle here, criticism is just futile. It's like attacking an enemy who has a permanent reflect shield up. It just forces them onto the defensive and, it wounds their pride. Infamous criminals like Two Gun Crowley, even public figures like Albert B. Fall, who was in a huge scandal, they went to their graves justifying everything they did. They never, ever admitted they were wrong. Criticism just makes people dig their heels in, not change their minds. So to master this, here are your first two quests. First, the 24-hour vow. Just for one day, don't criticize anybody at all. Just watch what happens. Then the mirror quest. For the next 48 hours, pick one thing you tend to criticize about yourself and actually work on improving it. It's way more profitable to level up your own character than to try and debuff everyone else. And you gotta watch out for this common trap, constructive criticism. A lot of the time, it's just a stealth attack disguised as being helpful. So here's the fix. Before you say anything, just ask yourself, is this really necessary? And is there a more positive way to get this done without just criticizing? All right, level 1 is complete. Now let's move on to level 2, the charisma buff. Think of this as a powerful area of effect boost to all your social stats. The principle here is so simple, but it's incredibly profound. The deepest, most fundamental craving in human nature is the desire to be appreciated. Now, we're not talking about cheap, fake flattery. We're talking about honest, sincere appreciation. It's like this super rare resource that costs you absolutely nothing to give, but provides a massive morale boost to anyone who gets it. Ready for your next set of quests? First up, the triple compliment. Over the next 24 hours, give 3 specific, sincere compliments to 3 different people. Next, the gratitude quest. Find someone you might take for granted, a partner, a coworker, a friend, and tell them one specific thing you genuinely appreciate about them. The big trap to avoid here is using flattery. It's shallow, it's selfish, and honestly, most people can spot it from a mile away. The fix is simple. Use appreciation. It's sincere, it comes from the heart, and it's all about them, not you. Okay, with that charisma buff now active, it is time to learn level 3, the persuasion spell. This is how you get other people to willingly join your quest. The core mechanic is all in this quote: bait the hook to suit the fish. Here's the deal. If you want to influence somebody, you have to talk in terms of what they want and then show them how to get it. You have to remember, everyone is the main character of their own game. Your job is to frame your request as a side quest that helps them win. So here are your quests to practice this spell. 1. The perspective shift. Before you ask anyone for anything, just take 60 seconds and write down why the other person would actually want to do it. 2. The motivation game. If someone's resisting a task, find a way to turn it into a fun challenge or a competition, or just make it super clear what the reward is for them. The biggest trap here is just focusing on what you need. It's a low-level move, and it almost never works. The fix? You gotta flip the script. Always, always frame the conversation around what they get out of it, their gain, their win. Man, you're getting powerful. Now it's time for level 4, the alliance quest. This is how you turn strangers into loyal party members. And here is the ultimate cheat code for this. Become genuinely interested in other people. Carnegie points out that a dog literally makes its living by giving you nothing but love and attention. You can make more friends in 2 months by actually being interested in them than you can in 2 years of trying to get them interested in you. Your quests for this level are so simple but so effective. First, the curiosity challenge. In your very next conversation, make it your primary mission to learn something new and interesting about the other person.
Second, the enthusiasm boost. For the next 48 hours, just greet people with a little more energy and a real smile. Act like you're happy to see them. But be really careful of this trap, faking interest. People can smell it. The fix is to find something you are truly curious about in them. Come on, everyone is an expert on their own life, their hobbies, their passions. Find that thing and let them teach you something cool.
Okay, this is it, the final main level. And this one's an elite skill. Welcome to level 5, the Intel Gatherer.
The principle here is to be a good listener and just encourage other people to talk about themselves. Being an exclusive, truly interested listener, that is a rare and highly valued player class. It can completely disarm conflict, build incredible rapport, and it gives you all the intel you need to navigate any social map.
Your final quests are all about strategic silence. 1. The 80-20 rule. In your next 3 conversations, I want you to aim to listen 80% of the time and only talk for 20%. 2. The problem sponge. The next time someone comes to you with a problem, just listen patiently. Don't jump in with solutions. Just absorb what they're saying. Look, the most common trap here is just waiting for your turn to talk. That's not listening. That's just reloading your own dialogue. The fix is to practice active listening. Your goal isn't to reply. Your goal is to understand. This is the ultimate intel gathering technique. And just like that, you've completed the main quest line. So as promised, here is your secret loot drop, the legendary skill of avoiding arguments. And the principle is a total game changer. The only way to get the best of an argument is to avoid it. Seriously, think of arguments as unwinnable boss fights. Even if you land the final blow and win, you've made the other person feel inferior and resentful. So in the end, you've actually lost the social game. So to equip this new loot, here are 2 secret quests. 1. The strategic retreat. The next time an argument starts brewing, just diffuse it by saying something like, "You know what? You've given me something new to think about." 2. The quick concession. If you realize you're wrong, just admit it, quickly and enthusiastically. It completely disarms your opponent. It's like a Jedi mind trick. All right, let's run a quick checkpoint recap of your new skill loadout. Don't criticize, give sincere appreciation, arouse an eager want in other people, be genuinely interested, listen way more than you talk, and avoid arguments at all costs. You are now equipped for some high-level social encounters. Hey, to help you remember all these power-ups, I've made a free 1-page social skills cheat sheet for you. It's a printable PDF you can pin to your wall or keep on your desktop. The link for that is down in the description and in the pinned comment below. And if this guide helped you gain a little XP, drop a like to let me know. And for our community quest today, what's the one social skill you're really grinding to improve right now? Share your current mission in the comments below. Get ready for the next level because we're going to be decoding the source code from the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I'll see you in the next lobby.